Which committee recommended the Panchayati Raj system in India? Answer B. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. The Dandi March was part of which movement? Answer B. Civil Disobedience Movement. Which river forms the Jag Falls in India? Answer B. Sharwati. Which Mughal ruler built the city of Fatehpur Sikri? Answer B. Akbar. The Chipko movement began in which Indian state? Answer B. Uttarakhand. The Bhimbetka rock shelters are located in which state? Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state is the largest producer of spices? Answer A. Kerala. Which Mauryan ruler fought the Kalinga War? Answer B. Ashoka. Which city in India is famous for the Golden Temple? Answer B. Amritsar. The headquarters of the Asian Development Bank is located in which city? Answer B. Manila. The Indus Valley Civilization site, Dholavira, is located in which Indian state? Answer B. Gujarat. Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Hills? Answer C. Nagaland. The famous Dilwara temples are located in which state? Answer A. Rajasthan. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga of India? Answer B. Godavari. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? Answer A. 1885. The Satpura mountain range is located between which two rivers? Answer A. Narmada and Tapti. The famous Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? Answer B. Nagaland. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? Answer A. Udaipur. Which Indian freedom fighter is associated with the Kakuri train robbery? Answer A. Ram Prasad Bismil. The world's largest coral reef system is? Answer A. Great Barrier Reef. The headquarters of the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, is located in? Answer A. Rome. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Answer C. Karnataka. The Suez Canal connects which two seas? Answer A. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. The famous Somnath temple is located in which state? Answer A. Gujarat. The Tropic of Capricorn does not pass through which continent? Answer C. Europe. The headquarters of NATO is located in? Answer A. Brussels. Which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer A. Kerala. The famous Charminar monument is located in which city? Answer A. Hyderabad. The first Asian Games were held in which city? Answer B. New Delhi. The famous Ranthambore National Park is located in which state? Answer A. Rajasthan.